Hi, my name's George, and I'm the CEO of CoreValue Advisor Software. And you know us for our three-step process: discover, successfully start the business advisory conversation, deep dive analysis, generate total clarity about what your client needs to get the success they want, and, as the name implies, executable growth plan used to in paid engagements to move the client from their status quo to where they want to be. But CoreValue is much more sophisticated than you can see at the surface. And let's tell you the rest of the story. CoreValue has four technology modules, software modules, starts with marketing and biz dev, leads down to level 3, which is used in long-term engagements. It's incredibly sophisticated. And we listen to the community. Your colleagues have figured out ways in which to use CoreValue that we want to make sure we democratize. So your goal, win a new engagement. What kind of engagements can you win? Long-term, high-value engagements. High value to you, high value to your client. And there are a number of different things that CoreValue is used to power. Our community is made up of management consultants, CPA business advisors, M&A advisors, fractional CFOs, CFP exit planners. Okay, there are a lot of different ways in which CoreValue is being used in the market. Business Scan, relatively new. 2-minute quick assessment. This is marketing and biz dev. It's included with all accounts. It's very, very effective. Okay. Now, biz dev is great. What we want to do is get to the closing conversation, and that's where CoreValue Discover shines. And you could use it a number of different ways. So, successfully start the business advisory conversation. Use it one-on-one with the CEO in their office, your office, a conference room, a restaurant. You can use it with the senior leadership team and generate a senior leadership alignment report. You can use it for biz dev. Imagine filling a room with CEOs, right? You get a center of influence, a CPA firm, a bank to bring their clients in, and you use Discover as the script for a biz dev meeting in which they go through Discover, they get a confidential report, and you walk them through what they're learning about their business. This has a very high conversion rate from strangers into clients. Now, you can also use Discover for a senior leadership workshop in which you're going to work with the senior team to create alignment around where they are today, right? Because if we can't decide where we are on the map today, how can we get to a destination down the road? We don't even know where we're starting. Discover can be used in a paid engagement, $6,000, $10,000 a day, where you are cementing your position as the trusted advisor, as the peer to the CEO, as the person who can lead this business to the promised land. What does a senior leadership alignment report looks like? It looks like this, guys. Very, very impactful. Go to the knowledge base, download a report, take a look at it, and think about how you would apply it in your practice. All right. The deep dive analysis. 90 minutes to 2 hours. Technology makes this process very efficient. People report that they used to take a week's work to generate the same type of information as you're going to get from a 2-hour meeting. Use it one-on-one with a CEO. Use it as a script for a senior team retreat, 1 to 2 days, $10,000 to $20,000, incredibly impactful as well. The deep dive analysis is used in paid engagements. Powerful reports, whether you're a CFP exit planner and you simply want to deliver a report about where this asset is, or you're a management consultant, a business coach, and you want to lift the hood and get the wrenches out and start turning the gears of the engine, the deep dive analysis will help you get there. And the executable growth plan, guide clients, track progress. Very, very powerful tool as well. So, how are you going to work with your clients? There are a number of different ways. And we lead workshops, webinars. There is a ton of material in the knowledge base. This is a system that's sophisticated biz dev, that's sophisticated analysis, that has robust engagement modules that your colleagues are using to build a thriving advisory business. They build a thriving advisory business by delivering client results. Now, we'd love to discuss this with you. Hit us up. If you have an idea you want to share or you're curious about how this would apply to your practice, sales@corevalueforadvisors.com. Go to our website. It's easy to get hold of us. Thank you very much, and we'll look forward to speaking with you soon.